Hey guys, my name is Nessa and I am just going to show you how to blow dry and style some of our shorter wigs. Okay, so if you have a wig that's got a little shorter layers and you're not used to the hair being all in your face and you have a little side bang or bang, I kind of want to show you guys how to do that. So real quick, I'm going to start in the bang area first. And then you're going to want to come in here and I'm going to start actually taking a bigger round brush and I'm going to come up in here and I'm going to lift up and create some volume up in here. If you'll notice, everything that I'm doing, I'm just picking up and just kind of moving it away from the face. I don't care what kind of wig you wear. If you don't like your hair sitting heavy in your face, you always want to direct it back without flipping this front lace up, because it's going to just naturally fall forward. So that's why I take everything when I blow dry up and away, up and away. If you need just a little help in the back, you can always just clip her up. So just move your head forward and clip her up, because the biggest thing we want is to create just a little underneath turn here when we blow dry. Just what little bit of difference that makes, just drying that side and smoothing it down. So the biggest trick to the blow drying is, like I said, taking your brush and actually going up and around, up and around. And you don't want the hair like sopping wet. When you start this, you only just want it kind of damp, because all we're doing is just adding direction, adding movement into this hair. And then we'll just keep coming up. Each layer is going to look so much better this way. It's going to be so much easier for you guys to do it this way, okay? I'm going to show you something else. If you aren't good with using the curling iron, but you feel like you're comfortable with a brush and a blow dryer, you can actually do a whole lot with just a brush and a blow dryer, okay? Let me show you. I'm going to just heat this up just a little bit. Now it's already pretty much dry, but this is how you do that. And you're just going to kind of like let it cool down for a second. And this is just going to sit, just a curl already to it without using a curling iron. And you just go through and you just keep doing each layer. The biggest thing you want to do is just making sure you protect this lace. So you know you have the lace in the front. So when you take the brush, you don't want to like dig it into the lace. You just want to barely just get it up under that hair, lift it up, and create that volume and that movement. This one's Mindy, if I didn't tell you already. She's Mindy. She's in our Dorja style. So if you like her, we have color options in this length and this style. All I did was just add it in a little side bang and add it in a little just layering through the top. So if we're going to curl and iron, you're going to curl and iron just like you do your own hair. So if you're going to do it on a stand, you're going to have a head just like this, and you're going to do it on a stand. So a lot of the ladies like just a simple backward motion. And I just take and I just go through and I do just a little bit of soft movement. See how nice she moves so lightly. I know the head's not straight, but it doesn't matter. When you put her on, she's going to be looking so good. You can still take your curling iron in here and just give her just a little bit of soft. Always dry the bangs first and then come back in here and direct that. And even though I did that, I still went back and pulled some of that down, obviously, so the longer hair came in with it. But that is the gist of blowing these. Just like I said, any of the ones with the layers. Don't care how long, I don't care how short they are. If you have a human hair wig, always go up, and back, and set the shape in. The drier it gets, the more you get in there and heat it up, cool it down, all the things. Our goal is to help you love your wig, help you wear your wig. We want you to do that. My name is Nessa, and it was super wonderful to show you these just cute little different things that you can do. Like I said, whatever you want to see, we can make it happen. Just let us know, and hope to see you in here soon.